Hi all, I'm Age from Liquid Earth. It's a channel all about video and photography, so if that interests you, consider subscribing. Today though, we're talking about the DJI OM4 and how to balance it properly. The OM4 is different to the Mobile 3, the previous version. That had a fixed clamp, but this one actually has a magnetic option and it's much easier for balancing your gimbal. In the box you get two options. The first is this permanent solution. It's a little magnet, it's a couple of millimeters thick and it literally sticks to the back of your phone. You do get this little template and that gives you some line up grids. You literally position that. It's got this little sticky part, stops it sliding around once in position, and then using the little notch there, and you've got a notch on the top of this, you literally put it into place with the sticker. There's a couple of stickers provided, and then that's a permanent solution. Once that's in place, the beauty of it is you don't have to balance the gimbal ever again. And that slots nicely into the magnetic. You can see the same little catch there, or the same little notch, and that positions really nicely, snaps into place really easily. It's quite firm. I don't think you're going to lose your phone at all with that, and that snaps in and out. So that's the first option, but I use this type of case. Now you can put that on a case, but it's going to depend on the material of the case. Now this is leather, and actually I don't want to use this when I'm using the gimbal because I don't want to keep having to open the case just to use the phone. So I use the second option, which is this little device. So that's a clamp, but it's a magnetic clamp. And what you do with that is you literally look at the arrow there, and that's got a little red arrow, and that points to where your camera needs to face. So if we make sure the camera's facing that angle there, and we just clamp that into place like so, and then you literally snap it into place using the grooves, and you can see that snaps nice and firmly. And then we want to balance it once, so you can see that's not balanced at the moment, so we're just holding the arm nice and steady, and all we want to do is balance that. So we want to move that by sliding it so that we get a good balance. Now you can do it horizontally and vertically, so that actually slides vertically as well there. So make sure that's balanced nicely both sides. Once it is, you're ready to go. So that looks pretty good. That's balanced there. So now I can switch this on. I'm ready to go. It's all balanced. And the reason this is easier to balance than the previous model is because I can snap this on and off now, and literally all you do is snap that off. Now I can take a phone call, whatever I want to do. It's still balanced. When I snap it back on again, it's still nicely balanced and ready to use. And that's the beauty about the OM4 over the OM3. It does take a little bit more weight as well, the OM4, so there is a couple of advantages, but that's how simple it is to balance them. So I hope that was useful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. I really do appreciate all your support. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.